You've got avocado toast, cinnamon sugar toast, and now yogurt toast. We recruited Studio 5 food editor Chelsea Fairbourn to try out the yogurt toast trend. We're basically just putting anything on toast at this point.
Those are the rules.
Yeah.
There are no rules. Anything can go on toast, and this is kind of an easy hack to make a custard, actually. That's what it ends up turning into.
Okay.
So you're pulling in some Greek yogurt, maple syrup, cinnamon, vanilla, eggs, and then you can kind of top it. So for me, I'm not sure this is going to be something that I'm reaching for all the time, but it is a fun way to mix up your toast game. And this, as I was making it, would be something really fun for kids.
It's so pretty.
It's pretty. You can top it with powdered sugar. It's really great. So we'll show just how simple it is.
I'm here.
So you're going to start off with, we're going to eyeball a lot of this, about a half a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt. You could have fun with the yogurt choice if you want. We're kind of open to that. Then we're going to go with a tablespoon of real maple syrup.
I was going to say, that's legit. That's the real stuff.
Yep. And this is kind of like a dressed up, I mean, a different way to do French toast. That's kind of what I would compare it to.
Okay.
Or like a brulee French toast.
Soaking the bread, you're just spreading
You're doing this all before. Then you're going to sprinkle some of that
Look at you
in
eyeballing it. So
I know.
confident in the kitchen.
We haven't tasted this one, so we're going to find out. Then we're going for about half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Is the lid half a teaspoon?
We're pretending it is.
I was like, is that
I
something
think the full
I needed
lid
to
is
know about?
a full teaspoon.
Okay.
Or at least that's what my mom told me.
Okay.
So sorry if that's wrong.
I love it.
Then we're going to mix this up. 1 egg. We're going to stir.
Go.
I'm going to have you start. So you have to make a little well in the bread. So you're just going to push down.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Because we're just going to use our hands. You can
right.
also use the back of a spoon.
Little well for the custardy
A little more
yogurt.
consistent across it.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to be picky.
Okay.
Now I'm a food yogurt toast connoisseur.
Now she's snobby about it and be getting really bossy in the process. Just kidding, just kidding. Hold on.
You give me extra time to make food on TV, and this is what's going to
Is that acceptable?
happen.
No.
No. It's
okay. Well, I don't want
pat it down a little bit more.
What bread are you using?
I'm using brioche.
Okay.
So you want a thicker bread so that you can create that well. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Somewhere in between where Brooke was and
create
here.
a well, and I went into Moses mode and parted the sea. You really just want me to pat.
Well, now we're good.
Okay.
It's a gentle pat.
Okay.
You'll know when you know.
Sorry to Moses.
Really great.
I didn't mean to make an irreverent
Really
reference
great food
there.
advice.
Here we go.
Then you're going to add in this custard base.
Yeah.
And while we're doing this, the oven is preheating to 350.
Okay, so this has to cook. It's got an egg in there.
Yep, it needs to bake for about 12 minutes so that it sets up. And you want that thicker bread so that the bread isn't too crisp. From that bake time, then we're going to let you customize. So you can add in fruit. I like raspberries and blueberries. You just plop them on
You do this before you bake it?
Before you bake it.
Okay. So you can kind of do a pattern.
Yep, you can do a pattern.
You know what I'm seeing? Yogurt toast is going to carry, this trend is going to carry through the 4th of July, and we're going to have toast flags.
Yes.
Aren't we?
Patriotic toast.
Don't you see it?
I can see it. Yep, and you can just
and
dollop.
you said not for every day, but do you like this combination?
I do. I think I need to experiment a little bit more with the bread.
Okay.
This bread, when I was testing it, it got a little too crispy for my liking.
Okay.
But I do like the custard. I'm a stuffed French toast person.
Yeah.
And if you like that, you'll love this because you get that creamy, dense custard taste, and you can have. I'm a big fan of dessert, so anytime you can have dessert for breakfast, that's also a plus, and that's kind of where you're going with this. So this is after 12 minutes of baking.
Yeah.
You can see that it's a crisp around the outside. You would cut in, and it's nice and gooey on the inside. And then you can top this with some powdered sugar, and you are in good shape.
All right, Chelsea, thanks for trying it out for us and sharing the latest toast trend to hit your oven. This is yogurt/custard toast.
Yes, that's acceptable.
What are we calling it?
Yogurt toast.
Yogurt toast.
Yeah.
There you go. Thanks so much, Chelsea. Good job.